Hi, today I wanted to show you what you can do if you need help. I will be available for video conferencing to help any students that are needed. So, to get the help, um, your students are going to go to their email, and I will have sent them an email for a Google Meet invitation. And it will say in the heading like first period help time. And they will check their email and click into it. It will look something similar to this. During their class period time, they will go to this link and click the link to join the meeting. Once they click that link, it's going to give them a screen that looks like this. If there is a camera that is found, then they will show up here, or it might run some systems to get their camera set up. Keep your volume muted for now. You can unmute that or mute it later on, but so just keep it muted now. And then click join now, and that will get you into the meeting. If you don't have a camera, it's okay. You don't need to have one. It's nice to see your faces, but it is not necessary. And then you're in the meeting, and you'll pop up on the side here with my picture. And this is where I will be able to show you my screen. I can write on my screen, so I can go to the textbook pages if you're needing those questions answered. I can go to a blank screen and just write out some things. So let me know if you are in need of help, and I would love to see you guys and be able to help you. When can you get this help? I'm going to be available during your regular science class period time. That means if you have science with me third period, I'm going to be available to help you from 9:30 to 10:20. So if you have me fifth period, I'm going to be available 11:40 to 12:30. You can sign in using that link anytime during that chunk of time, and I will be here for you. If you need additional help, we can schedule some times during this reach time that I can help you maybe more on a one-on-one basis if needs be. But I think this is great, and plus, I'll get to see you guys, you'll get to see me, we can have conversations. I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to try this out and hope that it becomes a tool that you guys will really enjoy as well. Have a great day.